Hello guys, this is your boy Andy. Welcome to Wake Mix Tech. Yes, so today I'm taking you through a new tutorial, and I'm doing this video because of one comment that I got from a viewer. Okay, so I made a post about Postermywall, and I was like making a design how to start designing in Postermywall, and this person said with the name Ademola Mofabi. He said, I love this, but I have a problem. Yesterday, I submitted a design and it was rejected. I was told to add more editable stuff that buyers will want. It was a Halloween image. Okay, so it was Halloween image that this person or poster that this person was like trying to make. Okay, so we are also going to do something like a Halloween poster and make sure we do things in the right way. So to prevent this from happening, you need to make sure that you add more editable stuff like text. You add more text. Okay, at least 3 to 4 layers of text to your design. Okay, bring in shapes, like bring in more stuff that will allow the person who is coming to buy your flyer or coming to like use your flyer to get something to do. Okay, so let's start by go to new design, then let's go to blank design. Okay, then from there we're using Instagram post size. You can use any size that you prefer. So for me, I'm going for the Instagram post size. So from here, let me bring in my stuff. Okay, I have some PNGs that I downloaded. Bring them in. So let's say you're having images. Make sure every image that you download, make sure you have the right quality, or you are using quality images for what you are doing. Okay, else your design will be rejected. So with this one, let me crop the PNG from there, crop from there, apply. Okay, so let me bring this one top. So you can see I've added how many layers? 4 layers, 1 layer, this layer, and that, and also the base. Okay, so I'm having 4 layers, but these layers, they are already made, they are not editable, so I have to bring in more text, shapes, backgrounds to it, so that it will have like more layers. Okay, and also editable layers in it. So let me put this one here, Happy Halloween. Then let me change the background using solid background. Okay, let me use this. Okay, I want something like, this. Okay, let me reduce the size, and let me go for tint. I don't want the yellow color. I'll go for white tint. Then no, I want to go for tint for now. Let me go for okay. So what I'm going to do now is bring in text. Okay, plain text. I'll remove this Happy Halloween, so I'm going to type in happy, then I'll change the font to this, and I will stretch it like this. I want it this way. Bring the base here, reduce the size of the base, bring it somewhere here. Okay, then let's duplicate, then type Halloween. Okay, let's make this capital. Okay, so something like this, Happy Halloween. Let's reduce the happy, bring it somewhere here. Okay, then I'll remove this one, I'll remove that one, and bring it here, and let me bring in outline and choose this color. Okay, so now I prefer white from this side. Let's go down small. Let's go down. Big outline, then white. Oh no. Let's go back. So something like this, you can see we have in this happy, the Halloween can be edited, the happy can be edited. Now let's bring in shapes. So go to media, then bring in something that can be edited as well. So looking at shapes from this side, let's bring in something like this. Okay, then change the colors. Okay, change the outline to, then let's duplicate, reduce the size, bring it here, duplicate. You can see I'm bringing in more stuff into my work, bringing more things into my work. So all these can be edited by the person who will come and use. Okay, the person can decide to come and edit them. So as you can see, I'm adding more to it to make it more editable. Okay, so as you are bringing in more shapes, then bringing in text as well, this all will help. Let's bring in another shape, and this time around let's bring in this shape. So what I'm going to do is to place this here, this here. Okay, I want it this way here. Then I'll change the color to, let me change the color to this. Okay, then I'll change the outline to white like this. Okay, so I'm going to get a Halloween message and I'll place it here. Let's bring in text, plain text. Let's change the color of the text to white, Okay, then drop it here. Let's go to Google. I'm going to search for Halloween message. Okay, Halloween messages for cars. Okay, so I'll get a lot of them. So go to the site, and I'm going to go wishing you a scary tale ending this Halloween. Okay, something cute from this side. Until let's come back to and clear this one and paste what we copied, then drag it like this. Okay, so as you drag it like this, let's duplicate this, and I want to bring in this. Okay, so let me bring in this. Oh, sorry, stretch it like this. I want this. Bring it here, duplicate, bring that one to here. Okay, so as you can see, we're having a lot of things on our work, and all these things can be edited. Okay, this is one layer of text that can be edited. This is another layer of text that can be edited. Another layer of text, another layer of text, another layer of text. So as you can see, and also this shape can be edited. This can be edited. This can be edited. We have this image there, another layer. We have this background layer over here. We have this shape on top. It can be edited. So make sure, let's not forget about the base. Let's bring the base somewhere here. Okay, so with the base we can duplicate, bring some here as well. Okay, so all these things can be edited. So now we have this, and we can say 2025 Halloween. Okay, so we're done with the design, and let's try submit. Let's try and do the submission, but make sure you save your design. Okay, so to submit, come to file, then go to submit as template. A lot of people are saying they can't see the submit as template button. If you can't see, go through our video or check the card on this particular video, and you're going to get it to watch and also learn more from it. So with this one, I'm going to choose going to choose yeah, I'm going to go for next. Okay, so enter name that describe. So from here, let me get some name from here. Halloween. Trying to get a name from here. Let me use Halloween Ghost. No, I don't like that name. Halloween Ghost. Okay, Halloween Ghost 2025. Okay, something like that. Halloween Ghost. Instagram size. So let's go to next. Then tags for template. With the tags, you can type in Halloween. Okay, type it and copy. Then select Halloween, paste. Halloween night event, paste. Halloween day, paste. Halloween flag. Okay, so we cool with this one. Let's go to submit and see if they are going to reject, or they are going to say your template is now under review. So okay, so as you can see, you are now saying your template is now under review. So they will review, and it's going to be on for sale. Okay, because what we've done, we've brought in a lot of layers that can be edited. So make sure when you are designing, you bring in more stuff that can be edited. Thank you very much. Don't just bring in 1, 2, 3 images and say you are done with it. One test and say you are done with it, then you save. Now make sure a lot of things on the design can be edited. Thank you very much. My name is Andy. Bless you for staying true to this, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell for more updates like this. My name is Andy once again. Bye bye.